Good afternoon, guys. Ohio weather is getting amazing. It is 70 degrees, sunny. Neighbors are burning down their house. It's going awesome right now. This is Klaus's old block. We're actually putting this on this little engine stand. We're gonna make a little table out of it. But I digress. Today we're pulling Klaus's motor again. Yeah, yes again. I know you guys have seen this 3 or 4 or 7 times, but today we got Chad and Ben doing it. So we're basically going to put this on a very quick time lapse, and maybe the whole motor pull will be like 2 or 3 minutes because you've seen it 14 times. It's one of those Wi-Fi turbo kits. So we're gonna get started. Alright guys, they did it. It literally took under 2 hours. There's the engine right there.
There's my mess.
A little bit messier than I was, but it's okay.
What happens when you go for speed?
They went for speed, not for, I don't know, just not for cleanliness.
Not my garage.
Hashtag not my garage. But look, that is Klaus's engine out of the car and over there in under 2 hours. Then we get the wife and got Ben right there. So we're gonna stop right there, and then tomorrow I'm gonna tear apart the motor. Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna tear apart the motor, and this is gonna be a nice easy hangout, going through it, doing stuff. But Logan, our engine builder, said he'll actually be in Toledo around 10 o'clock if we just want to give him the block and stuff then, which would save us a 2-hour drive there and back. And that would be awesome. The only thing is, it's 9 o'clock, and he said he'll be here around 10 o'clock. So we're gonna see if I can completely tear apart a motor in about 1 hour. So I'm gonna get moving. All right, guys, it's done. Not quite an hour. It took me about an hour and a half. Some of the stuff didn't really want to come off, but bare block. Got the cam, crankshaft rods and pistons there. Right here's the block, still good. Everything's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this loaded up into my truck along with our engine stand table we're making. And I'm gonna take this over to Mike's, because Mike's got his block for his LS Swap BMW that you guys will see. It'll basically be like our version of Ruby. He's going like for low sevens, power glide, all that good stuff. But I'm gonna take it over there, then we'll load it into Logan's truck so we can take it all back, and then hopefully in a month we got some 1500 horsepower engines. We'll see, but that's all for today, and we'll see you guys later. All right, guys, it's time for some merch. We are stocked up and ready to go. We sold out a couple of weeks ago out of everything, but we have it all stocked up right now. First, we have our Hidden Motorsports employee shirts. They're small to 3XL. They got the company logo on front, name and address, all that good stuff on back. You've seen us wear them all before. Then we have our Klaus Barbarian shirts that Elite Designs and T-Shirt Labs made for us. You saw those all over at Cleeson Cars. The entire team wore them. They're absolutely amazing. Love these shirts. Hoodies are back in stock as well. We got this nice blue one that I'm wearing, and then we also have a nice gray one. I should be posting up all these pictures alongside of it somewhere around here. Those are back in stock. They're great. Hats, we got 4 or 5 different types of hats: red, gray, blue, black, everything. Got all the hats. Decals, there are 5 different types of decals. Go ahead and pick whichever decal you want. Also, from now until the end of the month, every order comes with free burnt rubber. That's right, real legit burnt rubber from Cleeson Cars. It's all over Klaus. We have a lot to spare, so yeah, we'll throw in some burnt rubber in there for you. But hey, help us out, guys. Support us, because all this money just helps going back into Klaus and other projects and other things that we're going to do in the future. Let's get back to the action.